Hi, it's Steve from Play.Empire. Hopefully you know by now we're always looking to get you that new resource and especially Sentry. So we've got these, okay? This is available in two sizes. This is the A3 version I'm going to show you today, but it's also available in A2 as well. So what this is, it's these light panels, okay? And first thing is, there is 3 brightness settings, okay? 1, 2, 3. And then also there is 8 different color settings you can do by just pressing the button, nice and simply, yeah, and it'll take you through all the colors, and that gives you a choice of which one you would like while you're doing your activity. These are also incredibly lightweight, okay, very thin, making them perfect and portable to take to each room and share them around the nursery. Nice and thin and nice and light, okay, and surprisingly very strong as well. We know that people with light like to do arts and crafts, a little bit of messy play as well. So there is with this a nice handy plastic tray, okay, which sits perfectly over the top and then allows you to, again, do whichever activity you want. Okay, that might be a little bit of painting, it might be these colour blocks. You can also use natural resources like leaves. So now it's a perfect time of year, and you can see all the veins running through the leaf, which is really cool for the children to discover. You'll see on our website we do lots of different colour transparent resources, which would go perfectly with this tray. At the moment though, we are doing 180 of these different size and different shapes and different colours blocks, hollow blocks, which will go very nicely with this set, and at the moment they are sent to you free of charge. So this is what we're doing. You get your A3 board, you get your tray, and you get this for just £140 as a bulk package, everything included. Okay, if you'd like to go ahead, please let me know, and we'll get these out to you immediately. Okay, thank you.